Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Crack It. So if you are new to this our YouTube channel, I request you to please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications as soon as possible. So in this video we are going to discuss an off-campus drive which is IBM. So it is a great opportunity for you students to apply as early as possible before the link expires. So it is hiring for the role Associate Systems Engineer. So you can go through this introduction about the company. Now let's go through your role and responsibilities. So as I already said that it is hiring for the position Associate System Engineer. So spark growth for our clients and your career, and joining IBM services through Associates program offers you an opportunity to work with our client teams as they help businesses adapt emerging technologies to change the way they work, and you will develop relevant skills and quickly gain meaningful experience. Your dedicated network of experts and mentors will provide personalized career coaching and emerging technology training while you solve clients' most challenging problems with future defining solutions. You can go through the key job details. So position type they are hiring for is entry level, and employment type is full time, and contract type is regular. So you can once go through this, what's your next step forward, and who is IBM, and what you want to be, and who you are, and basically what the program is. So the program is the IBM Services Associates program put you on client facing teams as consultants, developers, designers, data scientists, technical specialists, and project managers to help businesses change the way they work. So they tap emerging technologies to create market defining solutions for our clients through a world class network of experts and specialists fueled by the energy and eagerness of our IBM associates. So now let's see the required now let's see the eligibility. So BTech, BE, MCA, MTech and ME are the graduates eligible for this drive. Now let's see the branches that are able to apply: computer science and engineering, and information technology, information science, software engineering, electronics and communication engineer, and electrical and electronics engineering, applied electronics and instrumentation, electrical engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, and electronics, telecommunication engineering, electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation and control, and instrumentation. So yeah, almost all branches are eligible to apply for this drive. So I request you to apply as soon as possible before the link expires. So guys, now let's see the IBM test pattern. So many are also getting the test link who have applied for this drive before. So there will be total 5 rounds, and first you will be having coding assessment, and later cognitive ability assessment, and later English language and learning ability, and finally you will be having interview. So in coding assessment you will be having one coding question and plus 5 multiple choice questions. In total you will have the time to solve this coding assessment is 30 minutes approximately. I don't know whether it is exactly sure or not. And later you will be having cognitive ability assessment. It is in this you will be having 6 games. You need to solve 6 games. So in English language you are going to have 10 questions, and in learning ability it is like a psychometric test. You will be having 50 questions. So it is a round wise elimination. If you clear only the round 1, then only you are eligible to attend for the round 2, and if you clear all these rounds you are able to attend the final interview. So this is about the drive guys. So link will be given in the description, so apply as soon as possible. So guys, and also we are going to discuss an mega recruitment drive which is Accenture. You all know that they recruited almost many students in phase 1 and phase 2. Now this is the phase 3 recruitment, I think. So now let's go through the job description. So it is hiring for associate software engineer. So as an associate software engineer you would largely be involved in design, build, test, assemble, support and configure application using business requirements. So understand business drivers that will impact performance and deliver software to those expectations, and bake technology trends into solutions, participate in the development of automation solutions, new functionality and technologies, and integrate them in existing solutions, and responsible for incident resolution and support extended to customers through voice interaction or email, chat, or remote support. So you can go through this job description after this video. It is simple. Now let's see the eligibility criteria who are able to apply for this drive, and let's see all those. So here they are mentioned. So BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, and MSc. In these, all streams are able to apply for this drive. Only 2019, 2020, and 2021 students are eligible to apply for this drive. So no active backlogs both during application and at the time of onboarding. So you should not have any backlogs. Maximum 1 year gap in education. So post 10th standard till completion of highest degree of education. So candidates should not have appeared for Accenture recruitment assessment or interview process in the last 3 months. So if you have attended any Accenture recruitment in the last 3 months, you are not able to apply for this drive. So candidates must be able to work in India either by citizenship, have relevant work permit documents. So they have mentioned a particular nationalities, that is Bhutan and Nepal can work in India without a need for obtaining a work visa. So all other foreign nationals require work visa and or an overseas citizenship of India or person of India origin card to work in India. So now let's see the application details. So how did you find about this job? There are 3 options. You can select any one of these: job boards, Accenture employee referral, social media advertisement. If you are going to select Accenture employee referral, you need to enter their Accenture employee ID. So you need to enter these personal details, your gender, first name, middle name. So you need to enter your first name that is there in your PAN card, and your last name, and university registration number, that is your university roll number, and your employee ID, and your mobile number. So if you want to receive this drive about in WhatsApp, you can select either yes or no. So if you have any alternate mobile, you can enter your mobile number. It is not mandatory. Date of birth and current location, enter your current location. So education type, if you are undergraduate, you can select undergraduate, or else if you are a postgraduate, you can select postgraduate. Professional details, so if you have any experience, you can enter the experience, or else if you have no experience, you can just click on no experience. So if you are working in any other company, you can click yes or else no. If you have any other offer in your hand, you can click yes or else no. So if selected, so if you have joined in company, if you have selected for this company, how much time you require to join, you can select any one of these days. And skill details, so if you know any programming languages, you can select among these programming languages. So select any one of the primary skill and secondary skill. So if you have done any certifications in your BTech life, you can select any one of these certifications. And preferred job location, you can select any one of the mentioned preferred locations as you wish, and location 2 and location 3. So if you have any gap in education, you can enter here. So if you have worked if you have worked in Accenture before, you can enter yes or either no. If you have any backlog right now, you can enter yes or else no. So are you an Indian citizen? If you are Indian citizen, click Indian or else no. So you should attend your resume or CV. It is mandatory to upload, and max size is 1 MB, and you should be also able to upload your passport size photo and your college ID card. Government ID proof, it is mentioned only PAN card. You should have PAN card compulsory in order to apply for this drive. And if you have any disability, you can enter here yes or no, or if you don't wish to disclose, you can select also that. So you should click on this checkbox, I agree, and finally you need to submit this. You will get a mail to apply for this drive. That's all about the drive, guys. Link will be given in the description of the video. Apply as soon as possible. That's all about the drive. Stay tuned for more videos.